All right, I'm at ModaMiami, Sotheby's auction, the first annual one here in Coral Gables, Florida. I'm just going to give you basically a walkthrough. I have almost every one of these cars as an individual video that you can look up, but this is just an overview. And by the way, this de Havilland plane is kind of the crown jewel of the auction. It's certainly the only airplane here. I think it touched right down on the golf course. I don't actually know. It probably got trailered here, but anyways, look at these cars. It's pretty much everything over the automotive epoch of the 20th century. You can get it here at this auction if it's a sought-after vehicle, from Rolls-Royce to Duesenberg and back. Really cool Boss 302, F355, ACR Viper. I love this 61 microbus. Really cool Citroen. I'm gonna make my way over to the main hangar and show you some of the very rare stuff in there. Ooh, C8 Spiker. I went to the Monaco Grand Prix about 2 decades ago, and the C8 Spiker was the pace car. I always loved the old FJ Land Cruisers. They actually made a bar out of one half of this boat. Really nice old Countach next to an RS. Yet again, next to a roof Porsche, next to a Bugatti. And then the Celine S7. Ferrari 812s, Carrera GT. All right, put in the comments which one of these has been your favorite. And if you want to stick around, I'll show the people that wait the Ferrari F40. Oh yeah, by the way, 1981 BMW M1. That car was iconic, but not as iconic as the F40 or the Gullwing Mercedes. Remember, I have videos of all of these individually here on this channel.